Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a payment on your Chase credit card. Let's get straight into it. So making a payment on your Chase credit card is pretty simple. It's a seamless process. It can be completed online, or you could also do it on your phone. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to sign into your Chase account. Now you can sign into your Chase account on the website on your computer, or you can sign in on your mobile phone using the Chase mobile app. Now once you're signed into your account, you just want to click on credit cards. Now you're going to select the credit card that you want to make a payment for, and you're just going to click on make a payment. And then you're gonna need to select the payment amount as well as the date. And then once you confirm the payment details, you just gotta submit that to make the payment. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a payment on your Chase credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.